Hi, SD Kelly here. So I got these eyeball gumballs at the Dollar Tree, and I was really disappointed to find out that the actual markings of the eyes were on the outside of the packages and not the gumballs themselves, because I wanted to use them as a vase filler. So anyway, I took them all out of the packages, and I will use this plastic packaging for other projects. So anyway, I decided to make the vase filler of my dreams by taking some Sharpie markers, with the red one being the finest point, and then some other colors. So here I've already started by just taking the plain white gumballs, holding it at 2 points, and just making red squiggly lines. Where my fingers are where I'm going to put the actual iris and the pupils. Now I put the iris and pupils on both sides so that no matter where it's at in the vase, it always appears that an eye is looking out and staring right at you. So it doesn't need to be perfect. It is a disembodied eye after all. It's just something to do while watching a movie, or I don't know, you're just bored and it's raining outside and you have company over and you can carry on a conversation at the same time. So here I'm just taking the black and making a pupil. I realize it's about 5 days till Halloween. I guess better late than never. I do have some Thanksgiving and Christmas ones to do as well, and hopefully I'll be up on schedule soon. So this is a vase I've decided to use after all. It's just a Dollar Tree vase with some twine that I glued around it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and wouldn't mind if you gave it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye for now.